Hi, I'm Claude from Wilderness Skills. Welcome to this week's review. This week I'm going to talk about these pants I'm wearing. It's the Lundhags Traverse Pant. But let me just show you how they fit me. The pants are made out of 65% polyester and 35% ecological cotton. Even though they are pre-impregnated with Nikvax cotton proof, which makes them wind and water resistant, they are quick drying, so that's a really nice feature. Looking at the different features on the pants, well, they have 7 belt loops, about 5 centimeters in height, so that makes room for almost any belts that you want to use. Here in the front we have a YKK zipper dimensioned to its purpose, and we have a small button here to close the waist. Looking here on the side of the pants, we have a really large zipper, about 32 centimeters in length. It opens up to a mesh panel, which is about 8.5 centimeters on its widest place, and this goes for both sides of the pants. This gives you the ability to have some really good air circulation inside the pants when you're out hiking in hot weather. Really nice feature. Then we have 2 main pockets here. The size of those is about 15.5 centimeters in width and about 20 centimeters in depth. Looking here on the front of the pants, we have 2 pockets. The width is about 15 centimeters and the depth is about 24 centimeters, and they are secured by a piece of Velcro. Inside the right hand pocket there is an extra pocket, and the size of that one is about 7.5 centimeters in width and about 12.5 centimeters in depth. And the pocket can easily hold an iPhone 5. Going further down here to the knees, we have this Schoeller Dynamic extreme stretch material made out of 89% polyamide and 11% spandex. Gives them really good flexibility always. There is a small panel here on the back of the knees, and also a really large panel here on the seating area and in the groin area. This makes the pants really comfortable to wear, and it gives you a great mobility when you are sitting or if you're kneeling down. Really nice, and this is one of the best features on these pants from Lundhags. Going further down here towards the ankle area, you can see there is a large panel sewn in here. This is made out of 500 denier Cordura nylon. Really nice reinforced area which stitching goes on both sides, so no stitching going directly down here. So this makes the pants really durable to wear and tear, especially down here on in the boot area. Really nice feature. Ending up here in the bottom, where we have this Boot-Loc system with a piece of webbing and a plastic buckle here, so you can tighten the pant leg close around your boots, preventing snow and probably also water coming inside your boot, at least water for a shorter time. Really easy to use. Just unbuckle the buckle, tighten up the webbing here and close the buckle again. There is also a small plastic hook here. Where you can attach that one to your shoelaces or bootlaces, again keeping the pant leg really close towards the boots here. Really nice feature. These pants have seen a lot of use and abuse over the years, and they have been washed numerous times. I can't count the times that they have been washed. I cannot see any fading or only maybe a little bit of fading, but nothing that I would notice. What really impresses me is this Schoeller Dynamic extreme stretch material here. It really holds up to all my abuse, and it still works perfectly. and it just makes these pants really nice and comfortable to wear. You can get the pants in 2 colors now, in tea green, which is like a mix of green and brown, and in black. You cannot get this color anymore. This is, I think it's midnight blue. It is a pair of old pants that have been used for many years now, so they chose not to continue this color here. The weight of these pants is about 620 grams, and that of course depends on the size. This is a size 52, which equals about a size 34 in US sizes. And this is the size that I normally wear, and these pants fit me perfectly. You can also get the pants in 3 leg sizes. There is a regular, then there's long, that is the regular size plus 5 centimeters, and then there's D, which is a short model, that is the regular size minus 5 centimeters. So there is various sizes that you can choose from depending on your own size. If I'm going to talk about the pros and cons with these pants, well, the cons that I observed, one of them is the placement of the pockets here. Sometimes I think it's a good idea, sometimes I think it's a bad idea. I know that if these pockets here are moved to the sides, then I won't have the ability of the circulation, because then I'll lose the 2 zippers here. So it's a matter of what I use the pants for. Also, there's only 4 pockets in these pants, so that's one of the things that you need to be aware of. And I also personally think that the pockets are not that roomy. I would have liked there were a little bit more space in the pockets here, but that's my own preferences. The pros, and there's a lot of those, I have to go back to the placement of the pockets. Again, sometimes I think that it's genius that they're here, because then I have the zippers here on the side. That's one of the funny things about these pockets. Sometimes I think that it's great that they're here, sometimes I don't. One of the other things that I really like about the pants is this Schoeller Dynamic Extreme Stretch material, made out of 89% polyamide and 11% spandex. It is just so nice to have this on the knees, on the back of the knees, and here on the seating and the groin area. Makes the pants so comfortable, and it gives you an optimal fit and great mobility. Especially when you're sitting down or kneeling down, the pant leg doesn't raise up anything, and the pants feels like they are just like glued on you the whole time. Really good feature on these pants here. Then I like the zippers here in the sides, making it really easy to have some circulation when it's really hot. I like the articulated knees. Again, makes it the pants really comfortable to wear. And then I like the reinforcement down here at the 500, the new Cordura, making the pants really durable down here. And then I like the overall toughness and the pants' ability to resist my abuse. They've been used for a lot of years. I've seen a lot of abuse, and they still hold up. So it is a big plus on these pants here. If I'm going to give this pair of pants a grading where I compare price to quality, well, I haven't been able to find any US dealers on the internet, but looking at the European dealers and doing some conversions, the price will be about $200 US. And that brings me to a grading of 8. I think it's a quite high price for a pair of pants, even if the quality is superb. Then the price will be almost the same as a pair of Crotch Precision Generation 3 combat pants. And I think that's a lot of money to pay for a pair of pants, even if it is superb quality. If I'm going to give the pants a grading on usability, I would give it a solid 9. You can use them for anything: hiking in the woods, just normal day use, sitting around the campfire, climbing. Yeah, you can use it for anything, and they are so comfortable wearing. What brings the grading down is the number of pockets. Only 4 pockets. Maybe I would prefer the 5 or 6 pockets. At least a small pocket for a knife or a flashlight or something. And then also, again, I think personally the size of these cargo pockets here, they are a little bit on the small side. I would rather have them a little bit larger. But all in all, I can easily recommend a pair of Lundhags. They are so comfortable to walk around in, no matter what you're doing and no matter in what position you're sitting. Really nice pair of pants. My next video, will be on this Source Tactical 3 liters bladder. So if you want to see that and my coming videos, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.